Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a text behind a person or an object using Photopea. So let's get started. So this is the image I'm going to use for this tutorial. First, we need to extract the subject from the background. For that, I'm going to use the pen tool. Select the pen tool and draw the path around our subject. Change the shape to path and draw the path. After drawing the path around the subject, go to Paths, Ctrl plus click to make it to selection, and Ctrl plus J to duplicate to extract the subject. Now you can see there is some background over here and also here. We also need to remove that. Use pen tool to remove that. Again, draw the path. For that, first we need to delete this path. Click on here to delete and add a new path here. Make the path to selection. You can also do it by right click and make selection and click on delete to delete the selection. Now do the same process here. Select the path tool, delete the previous path, add a new path. Ctrl plus D to deselect and make the background visible. Now we need to add a text. Select the text tool. This is the text tool. Click inside the canvas and add a text. Ctrl plus Alt plus T to transform. Press Shift while scaling to maintain the aspect ratio. Make this text layer in the middle of the background and the subject. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to select this font and I'm going to break the text. I'm going to make the give in a separate layer. And also I'm going to add another text. So we just added a text in the background. And also I'm going to add some shadows for this up text. So I'm going to add a new transparent layer, drag it below the up text. Select the brush tool, make the foreground color as black. Increase the brush size and make the brush hardness to 0%. And I'm going to make this brush size like this. And then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. And increase the blur something like this. And make the blend mode to multiply and reduce the opacity. So that's it. This is how we can add a text behind a person or an object using Photopea. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials like this. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.